all parts of the world. Japan. Somebody wants to go to Japan. Japan, we're coming for you. Get ready.
And Italy.
Mm.
From my back.
Mixture.
From my back.
And you don't want to scratch the pan. And it's yummy.
And you can eat the rest of the coma also.
So just put a little bit.
What is it correct?
You can. Oh, Rachel, can you do it?
No.
That? It's a butter knife.
Oh, next year I live in an adult.
Yeah. Pardon?
An adult.
Adult. Did you hear the pop? Voila. Voila. Ooh. Just a little bit because we're going to save half. We don't have. Oh,
Yeah.
devour. You want to try it? Haven't had too much. I'm sorry, guys. I know you. Are you starting to get hungry? I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. Look at that. Hold up one moment.